Welcome to Ecommerce. If you are looking to start your e-commerce business, whether on Shopify or on Amazon or Walmart, you should know these 8 useful websites that are free of cost and would help you in your business journey. Okay, so the first website I am going to tell you is hashful.shopify.com. This is a quite useful website and it's free logo maker. Okay, so you have a second option, and that is paid option. You can go to the Fiverr and you can hire any graphic designer to design a logo for you. He or she will charge only $5 to $10 and give you a best design logo. I will drop link in the description. You can hire any logo designer from Fiverr platform, but it's paid option. I am going to tell you the free and best option. Okay, so first of all you have to go to this link and then you have to click on get started. Okay, for example, my niche is pets. I have to select pets and then click on next button. After clicking on it, I have to select the visual style. Okay, so for example, I want to select this as a visual style, youthful, and click on next. Now I have to write my business name. I would write at pet shop. Okay, and then click on next. I have to select where the logo will be used, so I will select online store or website. Click on next button. Okay, so these are the logos that Shopify has designed for me. I can select any logo and download it. If you don't like this, you can hire any graphic designer from Fiverr. He or she will give you the best logo. Okay, so this is a website. Those who don't have budget can design logo themselves. Okay, the second best free website that I'm going to tell you is that birds.shopify.com. From here you are able to download any images. They provide copyright free images. I have few more resources. I will tell you later in this video. Okay, so keep watching my video. And in this collection tab, I have to select the dogs, and after clicking on this dog category, I would see a lot of images that I can use on my Shopify store for any product like this collar, dog collar, or any other images. Okay, so they provide free images, free of cost. You don't have to click images or capture images yourself. You can simply download any image from here. These are copyright free images. Okay, the third most useful website is Unsplash.com. This is the most useful website I'm going to tell you, free of cost. You can download any type of images. Like I have a store in kitchen niche. You have to write kitchen over here and hit the search icon, and from here you are able to select the image dimensions. Like I have a slideshow and I need a landscape horizontal dimension image. I have selected the landscape image, and from here you are able to select any colors and scroll down. These are the paid option. Don't select this and simply scroll down, and these are all free images. Okay, so you can see these are landscape dimension high quality images. You can use anywhere on your website or on your Amazon storefront. Okay, so similarly I have shared another resources. If you don't get any kitchen image related to your store, you can go to the second resource or third resources. Okay, similarly the Unsplash, Burst, Pexels, and Pixabay all have same functionality. You can get royalty free and copyright free images. I will leave link in the description of all of these websites. You can go and simply download the images according to your choice. Okay, so the 6 most useful website that I'm going to tell you is Colorsco. Okay, so from here you are able to select your brand color. Okay, you have to open this website simply, and then you have to click on the space button. If you are using a Windows laptop, when you press the space button, it will automatically shows the best useful colors that you can use for your branding your website or branding your logo. You can also tell that this color code is for my website, and you can give this color code to your designer that you have hired on Fiverr, or you can use it for the development purposes on your brochures, on your visiting cards, or any other thing. So there is a lot of options. You can select the colors. Okay, so this seventh most useful website that I'm going to tell you is that icon library. You can see these small icons here, like this is Fiverr, this is YouTube, this is another YouTube, Shopify, Hashful, Burst, Unsplash. These are all icons that are added in the browser tab. From here you can simply download the browser tab icon or favicon for your website. Like I write pet and search it. This is free of cost and you won't have to pay anything. You can download any icon tab and then add it to your website, similarly just like this. Okay, so the 8 last most useful website that I'm going to tell you is RemoveBT. Okay, from here you are able to remove images, to remove image background. Okay, so simply you have to open this website and then upload an image just like this. I have uploaded slippers. Okay, so the background has been removed. You can also click on this edit button, and from here you are able to add different backgrounds from here. Okay, so let me add this one. Okay, this is not a good option. You can select any background. Okay, and then click on the download button, and then you are able to add it to your website and use it whether on Amazon or Shopify store. If you need any guidance, I will leave my link in the Skype link in the description. You can contact me, or if you are looking to get a Shopify store design or starting your e-commerce journey, you can consult with me. I will help you for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.